Hello. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. You may notice that today our decoration on this table is a little bit different, and that's because this is actually my new haul for my YouTube. So I have been doing YouTube for a little over 7 months now, and I've been taking it pretty seriously. I've been posting quite often, and I decided it was time to make an upgrade to bigger and better equipment. So first off, I just have to say I do not recommend, if you are just starting YouTube, to dive in and make this purchase, because right now my wallet is screaming in pain. I have not opened any of these yet. They've been coming through in the mail for the past week or two, and I have just been waiting and waiting for the final product, which is the camera, to arrive so that we could open them all together. So the first thing I got for my new camera is this Gorilla Pod. I used to have a tripod like this. Let me see if I can find it for you. I have a tripod that's similar to this one. It is built to only hold phones. It was about $10 and it ended up lasting me about a year and a half. But the inside of this is actually a really thick metal bar or cord, and over time when you bend metal back and forth it eventually then snaps, which is what happened here and here, and I just duct taped it and I've been doing my best to use it, and the bottoms also tend to fall off. So because this is also not compatible with my new camera, I decided to take the step and buy the Gorilla tripod. I can already tell right away it is much more professional and well built. The thing I really like about it is that instead of a metal rod which is destined to break, this is more of, I don't know what you call it, but it's a ball inside of a socket, and so there's nothing you're bending back and forth. I do have to say it is pretty stiff and difficult to move around, but I have a feeling that will loosen up over time, and I really like how you can adjust the top here. And then there's also a leveler, which is great. So I'm really happy with this and I'm excited to use it very soon. So the next thing I got is pretty boring, but I consider necessary, and that is just some camera screen protectors, because this is a touchscreen camera, so I want to make sure it was protected. I will be linking everything I got in the description down below if you want to get it for yourself. This is my big main tripod for filming videos like this one. I do have a tripod I'm using right now. It's attached to my ring light, and once again it's only built for iPhones, so I decided to just get a nice hefty one. I do not know how to pronounce this name. I think it's newer, but I've seen a lot of other YouTubers recommend it, and so it seemed decent and the price wasn't that bad, so I decided to get this one. It comes in a nice travel bag like so. And if I remember correctly, I got mine in the color red because I wanted to do something new and fun. Let's see. Okay, it seems like it's a tight fit in this bag, so I don't know how often I will actually use the bag, because when products barely fit in their bags, I tend to just not enjoy it, because then it's really hard to put the product back in the bag. So I don't know how often I'll be using this. This is awesome. Okay. So it's got a bunch of different things and screws and ways to move it. I'm gonna have to figure out how this all works. It's really nice. It's light, but it's really heavy duty. You can tell that this is a good metal. That is, okay, I'm now sold. It has a carry handle right here that you can fold back in. That is such a smart idea. So I'm going to set this up and then show you what it looks like entirely set up. This isn't even at max height yet, and it's already much taller than my other ring light slash tripod. So I'm really excited for this one, and it seems great quality. Now we have finally moved on to the grand product we've all been waiting for, the camera itself. So I did a lot of research on which camera would best suit me for the kind of content I am making and hoping to make in the future, and the Canon G7X Mark II seemed to be the best. I know they have a Mark III out, but this one still seemed like it would suit me the best, and I've heard a lot of good reviews on it. So we're going to open it up and take a look. I got mine off of eBay for around $500, but I know the original sale is about $600, so I will be linking it from Amazon for you. So it comes with a big old booklet of everything you probably need or could learn about this camera. It has one of these cords so you can plug stuff in. I don't really remember what this one goes to. Maybe we'll figure it out once the camera's open. Then we've got a good battery charger. I'm glad this comes with the camera. Oh, I got it. Okay, this goes into this battery charger. And then I assume that it comes with a battery as well. Yep. So here's the little battery it comes with. Little wrist strap you can put on your camera. I was so excited. I owned a camera once a long time ago that my parents bought for me, but it was for photography and it was more of a beginner's camera and it broke pretty quickly. Okay, here is the camera. It's actually a lot heavier than I expected to be. This is what I was most excited about, and that is that the screen part here can flip up, which is just a great feature for working with YouTube and vlogging. And I think it can also go out. Yeah, so it goes out and down. So that is probably the main reason why I got this camera, was for that feature. It's a really good size too. Okay, I think I got it all set up with the battery and the cards, so let's turn it on. So it's asking me to set the date and the time, so I'm going to do that really quickly. It says that this camera's battery is already dying, so we're going to have to go quickly here. So this is our basic Android phone that I'm filming on. And then this is me filming with the G7X camera, so I can already tell pretty major results, and I haven't even fiddled with the settings or anything yet. So I am very excited about just the right out of the box quality between the two, and I'm super excited to be using this camera for all my videos in the future. And I'm definitely going to be using this camera a lot in the future. So thank you for watching. So thank you for watching this week's video, and also if you've been keeping up with my channel, thank you for being patient while I wait for this new camera to arrive. I'm really excited to be using it, and I look forward to some of the exciting content I'm going to make with it. So until next time I post, goodbye!